Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you a nursery tour showing you our baby boy's nursery. He's going to be here any week now. So come on in and check it out. So the theme of this room, I kind of went for like modern Southwest style. So I have a few pieces of macrame here on the wall just as you come into the room, which I thought were really cute. I got them for really cheap off of Amazon. And also I will go ahead and leave links below to all of these things that I can find if you want to check it out. So the first thing that we have when you enter the room is the crib, and then we have these little boxes of toys. I have some stuffed animals and books. In here, we were gifted so many wonderful books, and I'm so excited to read them with him, and so we have those in these cute little totes that I got from Target. So then we have our crib. We got the Baby Leto crib from Target, and I know that it's sold a lot of different places, but we got ours at Target, and this was one of like the first things that we actually got for baby. We got it while it was on sale during Black Friday, so we were able to save like I think 10 or 15% on it, which is great. So we have the crib here, and then also these cute little decor items that I got off of Amazon. They are just like little felt llamas and felt cacti, which is obviously the theme of this modern Southwest nursery. The crib mattress that I have is also a Baby Leto crib mattress, and I will go ahead and leave a link to that below as well. And it's like an infant one, and then you can flip it over to become a toddler bed later, which I really liked. And the bedding that I have is from Target, as well as this cute pillow, which was my inspiration for doing this modern Southwest style. And obviously, since this is just like a regular crib, we can lower the mattress as he gets older. And I also want to point out that the pillow that I have in here is just simply for decor. It will not... What are you doing?
I'm shaking it now.
Don't do that. And obviously the pillow that we have in here is just for decor for right now. It will not be in the bed when he's sleeping. I feel like I have to add that as a disclaimer. And when he's big enough, these will not be here for him to pull on. Also a disclaimer. The next thing that we have over here are some art pieces. I have this one of a cactus that I got at Target, and it came in a set with the other one on the other side. Then in the corner of the room, we just have this bouncer sitting here that we can move out of the way and wherever when it's the time for him to use it. We also have a Mamaroo that I have sitting downstairs in the living room for him to use there. These curtains that I got are from Target, and also the curtain rod. I really loved the matte black curtain rod for the room. I went with a lot more of neutrals with little pops of color as the inspiration for the nursery. So I know that it is pretty just like a neutral cream color, but I like them. And they're also blackout curtains to keep it nice and dark in here during the day. Next we have the little sitting section with the rocker. I got this rocker from Target, and I also got this little footstool from Target. It's just one of those like little poofs, but I thought that it fit really well with the overall theme that I was going for with the nursery. And again, we have another one of these Southwest pillows that I loved, also from Target. The side table that I have here is another Target find, as well as the lamp. And the side table will be great for me to be able to set down whatever I may need while I'm sitting in the rocker. One of my favorite parts of this room is this shelf. I got these Give, Save, and Spend jars, also from Target, from the Magnolia line, but those of you who may know me a little bit more know that I love budgeting and all things personal finance, so I thought that this was a really fun addition to the room. And then I have just a couple other little cacti and this cute little handmade rainbow that one of my friends got me. The next section that we have here is the changing station. I just have a dresser from IKEA that I've used as the changing station. I love that it can be a dual purpose, and we can also keep this dresser obviously for a very long time, and we can use it as a changing station and also keep some of his clothes here. So we have diapers in this basket. I have diapers and wipes and any sort of lotions. And then we have the changing pad. I am really excited about this changing pad. It's from Skip Hop. And I like that it is rubber, and so it can just wipe clean rather than having a bunch of changing pad covers that you keep having to change off the changing pad. So I am really excited to be able to use this, and it's also really sleek and modern, so I think it looks really good here in the nursery. Got this cute cactus here from Hobby Lobby. I also got this quite a few months ago, but it was a huge part of the inspiration for this nursery theme. Obviously there's a lot of cactus items in here. We also have the Hatch sound machine, and I am really excited about this. It like changes color and different sounds, and it also has an app, so it's pretty high-tech and cool, and I've heard really great things about it. Another cool tech item that we have in the nursery is the Owlet. This is the sock monitor that monitors babies' heart rate and oxygen levels. And I know this is like a super extra item to have. I didn't share this before. I am a first-time mom, but given that I'm about to have a baby in May of 2020, there's just a lot of stuff going around, and this would just put me a little bit more at ease. We're also able to use our health savings account, which are dollars that we have set aside for health-related expenses, and so we already had the money sitting aside and we were able to save a little bit on it, so I felt pretty good about making this purchase. And then the other thing that we have here is the diaper pail. I have the Ubi diaper pail, and it fit perfectly in this little area right next to the changing station. And then the baby monitor that we chose is the Va baby monitor, and we have it mounted up here. My husband Jacob, who's behind the camera, made this cute little shelf for it so that it's sitting up high and we'll get the good angle of basically the whole nursery, so I'm excited to use that for sure. Another thing that I wanted to show you guys is a little bit of the closet, and this side of the closet is full of diapers. So we have it organized a little bit here with wipes and then different sizes. One's newborns, ones and twos. So it feels really good to have a whole supply here. We've been generously gifted a lot of diapers from friends and family, and also from some of you guys, so for that I'm very, very grateful. And then a quick little tour of his dresser. I have some newborn clothing up here at the top, some onesies and sleepers, and little mittens and socks. And then we have some of his teethers. I've sterilized all of these, so I put them in a baggie so they know that they're all cleaned. And below here we have the next size of clothing, 0 to 3 months and on. And the bottom drawer here has a lot of blankets and swaddles and other miscellaneous things. This next drawer has also kind of a bunch of random things. We have some teethers here, and then some bibs and extra socks. And then this drawer is just full of extra diapers. This one has some bigger clothing, which we don't have a lot of yet, but we still have a lot of time till he's going to be able to fit into that. So that's all I have for this nursery tour. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new. There are a ton of more baby videos that are for sure to come, so definitely stay tuned for those. And I will look forward to seeing you guys in that next video. Bye.
Did you ever stop and think why spend